Around the far turn they go. 3/4 up in 1, 10 and 2. And Big Brown looms on the outside as they round the far turn. Riley Tucker has come away with the narrow lead. Gallego fights on. Big Brown right there on the outside. Just in behind them, Kentucky Bear down toward the inside. Race Car Rhapsody and Hayburn. And they turn for home in the Preakness. And Big Brown has seized the lead. And he is pulling away. Big Brown's doing it again. He is disappearing from the field. He's in front by 5. And then it's Race Car Rhapsody. And on the outside, Macho again. And just cruising in the line. Check the circle in the rearview mirror. Nobody was there. He waltzes home to win the Preakness. No one's ever been close to Big Brown. Macho again finished in second. Ichabod Crane was third. So there he is. Big Brown. And it's now on to Belmont and the elusive Triple Crown. Around the far turn here at Pimlico, Rachel Alexandra, the leader by 2 as the field turns for home. Big Drama running in second now. My Net Bird looks for a way through and he had to go way outside for it. Musket Man toward the inside. Rachel Alexandra's in front with 1 furlong to go. Musket Man moves to second. My Net Bird is third on the outside. The filly trying to hold on. She's clear by 3. My Net Bird runs at her late. Here's the wire. And the filly did it. Rachel Alexandra has defeated the Kentucky Derby winner. My Net Bird by 3/4 of a length. Musket Man was third. The final time was 1:55 flat. A magnificent victory, an exquisite filly, and a thrill to see. And there goes Looking and Lucky. He's starting a move on the far outside as they round the far turn. Schoolyard Trains is moving too. And Patio Prado has followed him on the far outside. Time ticking away. There's 3 furlongs to go. Here's Looking and Lucky with a sweeping move. And Karen Cartano's moving too. And First Dude is now running third. And Super Saver is picking him up. And the boy Jackson Red. 5th from the inside. And then it's Schoolyard Trains are at the top of the stretch. Looking and Lucky is the leader. Super Saver is swept. First Dude fights on. Galen Jackson met between horses. You want a twist upset chance on the far outside. Wildfire is coming. Looking at Lucky. First Dude. Jackson met. Looking at Lucky. Here's Jackson met and First Dude. Looking at Lucky. Got it. Looking at Lucky has won the Preakness. Bob Baffert is Looking at Lucky for a 5th time.
Animal Kingdom right there toward the inside off the far turn. Gap of 3 to Rockin' and Dixie. Grind takes toward the outside in 4th. Signature Event 5th. And then Statehood in 6th. Bonnaroo, Animal Kingdom side by side. Animal Kingdom up the inside for a short lead. Grind is 3rd. Rockin' and Dixie 4th. Up front at the 8th pole. Animal Kingdom narrow lead from Bonnaroo 2nd. Gap of 3 back to Grind in 3rd. Animal Kingdom and Robbie Alvarado kicking on past the 16th pole. Animal Kingdom, the odds-on favorite, will take it.
Together, here comes Animal Kingdom, gaining ground now from 4th and shifting to the outside. Decisive moment, but here's Animal Kingdom with a big run. Animal Kingdom has come from last and now he's in front into the stretch. Decisive moment, fighting hard. Those two together. Taptown takes 3rd. Up on the outside, Twinspired is gaining. Animal Kingdom just ahead over Decisive moment, but it is Animal Kingdom now drawing away. He'll win the Vinery Racing Spiral by 2. Decisive moment 2nd, then Twinspired. Photo for 4th.
Animal Kingdom, roaring down the center
got the rail. Here's Ninja Blade, who's cutting them down. Hanging in behind rivals is Santo Gato. Inside the furlong, Ninja Blade and Corey Lannery go to a lead of a length as they race down towards the 16th. Percussion is giving chase. Here comes Dialed In from the clouds. Inside the final 50 yards, Dialed In. A remarkable performance. How did Dialed In win? Dialed In could be a star. Ninja Blade was second, Percussion was third. Dialed In wins on debut from the clouds.
Off the lead, and look at Dialed In, he's coming. Dialed In got an inside trip, he's up to fifth. He's got 5 lengths to make up, and they're into the stretch. Mucho Macho Man, Sweet Ducky to the outside. Black and Beauty along the rail. Gourmet Dinner and Dialed In on the far outside. It's Sweet Ducky in front. Dialed In finishing fast in the center of the track. Gourmet Dinner is third. Dialed In and Julian of Peru have won the Holy Bull. Very tight for a second. Sweet Ducky or Gourmet Dinner, and Mucho Macho Man was fourth.
Dialed In is beginning his move. He's about to go by Stay Thirsty. They're coming to the top of the stretch, and Shackelford, trying to pull off a big upset, is in front in the Florida Derby. To honor and serve, Dialed In is coming with his giant strides in the far outside. Still has to get to Shackelford. Shackelford still there. Dialed In coming after him. Shackelford, the race of his life. Dialed In's got him. Dialed In won the Florida Derby. Shackelford was right with him on the wire. To honor and serve and Flashpoint.